If you already have a Swiffer Sweeper and you're tired of buying new pads all the time, then these are worth checking out. These are made for the regular Swiffer Sweeper, not the WetJet or the PowerMop. So check that first since they don't all fit the same. In this set, you get 6. 3 are thicker and made for dry sweeping, and 3 are the smoother ones, and they're made for wet mopping. The thicker ones are awesome. They pick up dust, they pick up pet hair really well instead of just pushing it around. When it's time to mop, you just switch it over to the smooth pad and you use whatever cleaner you already have at home. I bought other reusable ones before, but I hated that they always slipped off because they were made to push the cloth into the little slits on the top of the mop head, like the disposable ones. These ones actually have elastic around them, and they stretch over the whole mop head. And the elastic is actually super strong. So when you put these on, these are staying put. They don't come wet like the disposable pads. These ones, you're going to spray your own cleaner on the floor or on the pad. And once you're done, the pad just goes in the wash instead of the trash. So it's ready to use again next time. It's important for me to do whatever little I can every day to keep unnecessary garbage out of our landfills. So whenever I can buy something that is reusable and works this well, I'm going to do it. These work extremely well. They stay in place, and it's something that has the potential to replace hundreds, if not thousands, of disposable mop pads. Such an easy way to do your part and stop buying refill packs every few weeks.